A safety short from the ATA Workers' Compensation Fund.
Hi guys, I'm Sean Tompkins. I'm here with McElroy Truck Lines, and one of the things we're going to do today is show you how to safely fold a tarp. We're also going to show you guys how to safely tarp a load. First thing we definitely want our drivers to do is to have the PPE on. We definitely want to have the hard hat, safety goggles, and the high visible vest on when we're working. Anytime we're dealing with any type of load, anytime we're dealing with anything around the truck. And the first step we're going to show you guys today is how to properly fold a tarp and the safest way to fold a tarp. And you're going to notice that we're going to bend our knees a lot. You're going to hear me talk about bending our knees a lot because obviously we want to save your back as much as we can. All right, another thing is we want to show you guys how to eliminate. We're going to try to eliminate as many steps as we can. When we're on one end of the tarp, we want to do as much as we can while we're on that end of the tarp because we don't want to overwork ourselves. So the first thing we're going to do today with folding up a tarp, guys, we actually use a flap on our tarps. Like I said, a lot of other companies, they don't use a flap, but we actually do on our tarps. So the first thing we want to do is actually fold the flap in because we're going to roll the flap up inside the tarp. So that's the first step I'm actually going to do right now. We're going to bend our knees, reach down and grab the flap, and we're actually going to pull it forward, guys. We want to get this flap as flat as we can, guys. So like I said, we're actually going to fold this flap up inside the tarp. All right. The next step, guys, what we're going to do, we're actually going to fold the tarp towards the middle, and we're going to grab one side and bring it to the middle, and we're also going to grab that other side. Like I said, try to eliminate as many steps as we can, and we're going to do this as safe a way as possible. And the first step, what I'm going to do is actually go over here and grab this tarp. Again, guys, like I said, we definitely want to bend our knees because we definitely want to try to save our back as much as we can. And what I'm going to do is bring this tarp to the middle. And guys, like I said, you have to keep a little bit of attention on this tarp when you bring it to the middle, so you can try to eliminate as many wrinkles as you can. We're going to go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Again, like I said, guys, the safer way to do this is to bend your knees, and we're going to come back up and bring this tarp towards the middle. Now, we pretty much have to go to the other end of the tarp and pretty much do the same thing on the other end of the tarp. All right, guys, next step. We have to keep folding the tarp towards the middle, guys. And like I said, we're gonna always bend our knees to try to stay as safe as possible, guys. We're gonna, this time we're actually gonna fold both sides of the tarp towards the middle, just like we did on the first two steps. Again, we're gonna bend our knees. We're gonna bring that tarp towards the middle. To keep a little bit of tension on that tarp. Pretty much do the same thing on the other side. Bring the tarp towards the middle. And again, we're gonna go to the end of the tarp and pretty much repeat that process. Next process, guys, we actually have to fold one side of the tarp on top of the other tarp, guys, because like I said, we want to try to get this tarp as small as we can, okay? And also, again, now the tarp is getting a little bit heavier, guys, because we have the folds on the tarps. Again, what we're going to do is bend our knees, grab the tarp, and we're going to fold it on top of the other fold, guys. Pretty much same thing on the end. Take the tarp, hold it over top. All right, guys, the next step with this tarp, guys, we need to bring that end, guys, and bring it to the front of the tarp because, like I said, when we roll this tarp up, we want it as small as we can. And what I'm gonna do is just grab this tarp, pick this tarp up, and we're just gonna walk backwards on this tarp. All the way to the end, pretty much with our tarps, where this red stops at right here, that's where you're gonna drop the end of the tarp. Now the next step, guys, we're gonna take a bungee and we're gonna put it on the end of this tarp. This bungee right here is actually pretty much what's gonna hold that tarp together. And what I'm gonna do is go to the end, we're gonna roll this tarp forward, and once we get it forward, guys, that's when we're gonna hook the bungee, and that's what basically gonna hold the tarp together. Now, when rolling the tarp, guys, we definitely want our drivers to actually bend their knees. We definitely don't want a guy standing over like this trying to roll the tarp. Definitely want him to bend his knees. And what I'm gonna do when I start with this, rolling this tarp, like I said, my goal at the end, guys, is to try to get this tarp as small as we can by the time I get to the end of it, guys. All right, guys, the last step to this, guys, we definitely want to take the bungee and hook it back into, hook it back into itself. When you're hooking the bungee, guys, definitely grab the rubber piece of this bungee. And mainly because you definitely don't want to have your hand hooked into the hooks or whatever. When you hook the bungee together, guys, make sure that you have those safety goggles on, because bungees break at time. And if you don't have the safety goggles on, you may hit yourself in the eye. So what we're gonna do is take one knee, reach down, pull the bungees up, and hook the bungees back into the hooks. That's the proper way to fold up a tarp.